What is up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel. My name is Leo.
And I'm Andy. And we're back at it again.
But why are we not screaming?
Why are we screaming?
Because they need to wake up.
But we need
Because it's the boys.
Bro, calm down. You're too up here, bro. It's almost like 1 in the morning, bro.
Don't care.
Yo, check it. Helicopter parkour chase. It sounded interesting. I wanted to check it out. I'm sure some of y'all were gonna recommend it or did recommend it. So we're just gonna check it out anyways. You ready? You excited?
Of course, it's the boys. What kind of question is that?
Alright, I'm tired of this man's attitude.
And I'm tired of you.
Are we playing GTA?
I don't know for sure.
That boy gone. That boy zoomed in. What is this, 5-star, 4-star? Okay.
Bro, this man is flying, bro.
That boy zoom. Oh. They're on the run, they're on the run. Bro, is the whole video like this?
So is this trying to tell the cops that you're not going to be able to catch them? Or what's happening?
All units converge on Jubilee Square. Central has suspects on close circuit surveillance.
No.
What is happening?
We had them on the second rooftop.
You saw that, right?
The birds, yeah.
Do you have visual unified?
Bro, it has to be the weirdest Storror video we've ever seen, bro.
We need to get some dogs in right away because there's no chance I'm catching these lads.
Exactly.
No doubt we're not catching these
On
guys.
the roof of Waitrose.
I literally feel like I'm playing GTA.
No, I feel like I'm playing Modern Warfare.
Predator missile. Oh no. AC-130. The chopper gunner.
They jumped straight over the alleyway just then. Canine in pursuit of IC1 on Edward Street. Over to the investment rips him arsehole at breakfast time.
Bro, it has to really be a drone, bro. There's no doubt in my mind that this is a drone view.
Are now heading east.
What is happening? I just see them like just jumping.
My question is, where's the 4th guy? I only see 3 of them now.
Oh.
They're currently running along the balcony of the
Where's the 4th
balcony
one?
of the apartment building on floor 2. We saw that. They're running on the bloody edge. One of them are going to fall and bloody hurt themselves.
It's the leak from me.
On Edward Street. Copy that. We have them on top of Polish Market at the moment. Heading towards construction.
What is happening here?
Where's the last guy, bro?
Boys are taking the piss in Michael. They've got us going all around the houses. We still do not have visual again.
It's so crazy seeing this from above.
Is this a Is this a real helicopter or a drone?
I want to say it's a drone, bro.
Between the duck and the dove. We've lost them again. No, they're gone. We have visuals.
Now there's only 2?
Proceed back to Harrison's Lane. Oh, you are bleeding kidding me. We've just come from round that way. I'm Queen Cracker. Need another dog to
Them boys getting tired.
On the way. Yes, K9. Proceed to Edward Street. Proceed to Edward Street. There is no blooming chance I'm going up there and doing any of those gaps, just so you know that, yeah? Copy that, ground unit 5. If you can proceed ahead.
Yeah, I can't even like say, yo, nice flip, or like it's so hard to see, bro. I can't see.
There's no effort to go.
They look like ants. What is happening?
Ground units cut all exits. Maintaining search pattern. Central, can you get visual on surveillance? I swear Simmons goes on YouTube. I swear to God.
is this really like what's happening here?
Well, I'm confused. I don't even know what I just watched.
I feel like they said they got arrested before, but I feel like this wasn't the time they got arrested. I feel like this was a drone, or I may be wrong. Like I don't know what's happening here. They were just running around in circles in a big building, just doing jumps.
I'm confused. I don't know what I just.
I don't know
watched.
if I was playing GTA, Modern Warfare, like flying a drone, flying a helicopter. I don't know.
This whole video had me so confused. Yo, this is by far one of the weirdest videos we watched. I'm good. I'm good.
If you're new to the channel, I'm gonna need you to subscribe. Hit that post notification bell to see when we post another video just like this one. Comment down below what you want us to react to next. Storror, my boys.
GTA.
Please explain
Call of Duty.
what just happened here.
I'm so confused. I'm actually so confused.
Remember to keep it simple.
Nothing simple about this video, bro. I'm done. I don't know, but sheesh, whatever camera they're using, my goodness.
I mean, those are the cops, right?
I don't know if it makes it sound like I've seen this video.
I mean, you're a parkour, an oceanologist.
I'm starting the video, bro.
No.
One shot.
Hello, Blueskis. How y'all doing today, Blueskis? Yo, what is up, you guys?
What's
Welcome
your name?
back to our channel. My name is Amir.
I'm done.